Hey, I'm Sam. I'm an AI engineer at Weights and Biases here in San Francisco. My role is building cool things with Weave, which is the language model tracing and evaluations tool, and helping show people what you can do with it.
So what got you excited about Weights and Biases?
Weights and Biases, I think, has a really strong reputation as a tool maker in AI. So anybody who's an ML engineer is very familiar with Weights and Biases.
I mean, I've met a couple folks on your team and you guys definitely have a great culture and a great team. So anyways, we're here today at Llama Palooza, an event all about fine-tuning and using Llama models in production. So what is your experience with Llama been like?
So a lot of Llama for me is reducing cost and latency for production workflows. So I think Llama, and this is still fairly true to this day, Llama is really great when you need to improve efficiency, you need to improve latency, and you can just take, especially like very specific challenges in your chain or workflow, and then make them faster and more efficient with the Llama models, with like more specific prompting, and then with fine tuning when it becomes relevant. So Llama, I think, has a very positive association of just making things faster and better once you're ready to go into production.
I love that. And kind of expanding on that a little more, comparing Llama with these more established models like GPT, what have you kind of seen as some of the benefits or challenges people have with fine tuning or using Llama, and how is Weights and Biases kind of like helping folks with that?
In general, Llama, I think, is becoming like a more of a go-to for people like fine-tuning, again, these more specific use cases. Llama, again, unlocks a lot of those cost and latency benefits for people and works really well with fine-tuning with like variants. Like some of the Llama models are like less good at structured data extraction. The tone can be strange, but with the right fine-tunes, that can improve substantially. Like the new research Hermes model, I've heard so many good things about from people who are using those models.
Well, thank you so much, Sam, for your time today, and I hope you had a great evening.
Yeah, thank you. This was great.